up? We are $5 Sisters Experiments! Today we are doing Ppopgi from Squid Game or Sugar Honeycombs.
So what's a Ppopgi?
Well, Ppopgi is just like a melted down sugar and baking soda crisp, basically. The goal of Ppopgi is to break out the shape in the honeycomb without tearing or crumbling the shape itself.
The sugar itself is very fragile and it's really easy to breaking it off. So even though you think it is easy to just cut those shapes out, but it's pretty hard. So we're going to try to make those today.
Yeah, well, let's go, 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 go! So first of all, obviously we need sugar.
Sugar. So white sugar is the one that we're going to need.
And we also have baking soda.
Baking soda. Just a little tiny bit. So even though you just have a little bit at home, that's basically what we need. And we need a ladle. But made out of the metal so that way we can melt the sugar into this, right? So ladle, metal made. And the other thing is we need
a chopstick or stick or toothpick or whatever you want.
But just something that is not going to be burnt or melted, right?
Yeah.
So that's the important part. So you just need to do something with the stir. And
we have
some metal spatula.
Yeah.
So these we're going to be used for kind of press it down the sugar melt and also take it out. Like you flip it, basically. That's what we need it for, right?
And that's basically all the tools we need.
Yep. Let's go, 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 go.
So first of all, obviously, you should always speak to your parents and have parent supervision whenever you play with the stovetop because you can get burned. And then to melt the sugar, we need to have medium or medium-low heat. It doesn't really matter whether you have a gas or electronic stove, but a gas stove works better, but it really doesn't matter. So first we put the ladle over the stovetop, and then we put a teaspoon of sugar into the ladle. And then we wait for it to melt. Keep stirring and don't stop. Be careful to not spill any of the sugar on the stovetop because then it will burn and your parents will be very mad at you. So eventually, after a few minutes, the sugar will start to become lumpier. This is perfectly normal and you just continue melting the sugar. At this state, the sugar is completely dissolved. Now to add the baking soda. Just a little bit of baking soda. Don't put too much. Don't worry if the sugar turns a lighter brown, that's just the baking soda. Once the sugar is bubbling, we take it off the heat. So now that the sugar glob is on the sugar, you need to cool it for around 5 to 10 seconds before compressing it with your chosen item. If it gets stuck, just scrape it off with another spatula or other item like that. And now quickly press the cookie cutter into the mixture. You now have a finished Ppopgi. And this is the final result of our Ppopgi.
Ooh, looks fun. Alright, so little sis, we're going to demonstrate the heart shape.
Yep.
Be careful, it will be very, very easy to break. Ooh, that's good. Ooh, that's a little scary.
Yeah.
Well, you need to be careful in the corner.
Oh yeah, this one is the hardest part. But I think I'm doing good. Ah!
What happened?
No!
Oh no!
I'm gonna die now!
No! So this is the reason why in the TV show they use actually needles to have a little detail. Because this is what exactly will going to happen.
So Big Sister will be attempting the star honeycomb, and this time we're gonna be authentic and use a real needle. Alright.
Ooh, I don't know.
Be
I'm not
careful.
I am never really good at these. when I was younger. I never ever got one, so let's see.
Comment down below. Will Big Sister be able to finish the star shape, or will she fail? No!
Well, it's a fail.
Yeah.
It is my little sister's turn.
Yes.
Let's see if she will going to make it.
I am very nervous. I have never done this with a needle before. Ah.
Oh,
No.
sad. You're dead too. Dun dun dun. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.
If you are awesome, hit the like button.
Goodbye.